Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyoto-kan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share Pacific Sori dishes. Pacific Sori is called Sanma in Japanese and written like this. Sanma is one of the most popular autumn fish in Japan. Salt-grilled Sanma is a very simple and common way. However, today I introduce Sanma sashimi and grilled Sanma with Innards sauce. I hope you enjoy Japanese autumn food culture in this video. Yes, let's make it.
These are Japanese Pacific Sori, Sanma, which is from Hokkaido. This year's Sanma is very big and they have rich fat. Let's cut them into fillets. This is Deba knife. Please keep the wooden tools wet in advance to prevent the fish smell from sticking to them. First, remove the scales. The tip is to move the knife from tail to head. This work is essential to make delicious fish dishes. Backside and belly side. We tend to leave the scales close to the fins, so please check more carefully. Okay, then trim off the head. I place the knife just below the fin and cut off. Next, open the belly. Place the blade of the knife above and move the knife up and down. And remove the innards using the heel of the knife. Finally, make a cut to the spine to get rid of the blood easily. Today I use innards to make the sauce. Then wash out the scales, blood and innards with the water. Water helps to kill the bacteria and prevent the food poisoning. And cleaning the fish quickly. Good. Then wipe out the water carefully. This is quite important to keep the flavor of the fish maximum. Clean the belly well. Good. I've done everything. Keep it in the fridge for a while. Meanwhile, I'll make the innards sauce. Add the innards to the pot, sake, and mirin. Turn on the heat. Cook the innards and remove the alcohol from sake and mirin. Skim off the foam. Good. Stir it and heat it for 3 minutes. Okay, turn off the heat. Drain a sieve to make the sauce smooth. The taste of the sauce is a bit bitter, but it's tasty for some Japanese. We call the innards Kimo in Japanese. Kimo means vital. The base sauce is done. Keep it in the fridge. Then fillet the fish. First cut it to the spine from the belly side. Turn it and cut it from the back side. Push the knife and pull it. We should cut the spine no more than twice, avoid hurting the meat. Finally, insert the knife to the other side and cut off the ribs. Cut the tail side. Good. Turn it over, then cut the back side to the spine. The most important thing is to slice the knife smoothly. Turn it and cut the belly side. And last, cut off the ribs and tail side. The most important thing of preparing the fish is to slice the knife widely and smoothly to make the surface of the meat beautiful and keep the flavor. Next, trim off the ribs. In fact, this knife work is not easy. Slice the knife smoothly as well and remove just ribs. Place the fillets facing the belly to the left. And last, cut the ribs off. Okay. Finally, remove the pin bones. We normally need to remove all bones to make sashimi. And we should all work quickly to keep the freshness of the fish. Once remove all bones, peel off the skin using the back side of the knife. The blade faces to knob. Hold the skin with left hand. Then move the knife to the right. Okay. Beautiful. I cut the fillet into slices sashimi. The tip is to move the knife widely. Cut the fillet one swing and arrange it on the plate. Nice. Make sashimi and arrange the slices directly on the plate, like flour. Okay, then myogo. It is Japanese ginger. I chop it finely. Pungency taste of myogo goes well with fatty summer. Myogo refreshes our mouth. Add it to the water for just few minutes to reduce the pungency. And it is sudachi. Sudachi is famous citrus in Tokushima Prefecture. Cut it into half and remove the seeds. Okay, cut it again. Finally, get rid of the core. Good. Sourness also goes well with Sanma. Then grated ginger. Add a tablespoon of the Innards sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Kimo shoyu is ready. Sanma no sashimi is done. It's so beautiful.
Yes, we need to get a very fresh sanma to make sashimi. We can get frozen and dry sanma all seasons. However, we can get fresh sanma only autumn. And if you come to Japan in autumn, please try sanma sashimi. It is very delicious. Next, I'll make unique grilled sanma.
I'll first make the sauce for grilled sanma. I add 2 tablespoons of the Innards sauce, 15 grams of sake, 15 grams of mirin, and 30 grams of soy sauce. The sauce is ready. Pour the sauce over the fillets of sanma. Good. Let them stand for 20 minutes. 10 minutes later, turn them over. Nice. Leave them for more 10 minutes. 20 minutes later, remove them from the sauce. If you use smaller sanma, soak the fillets for 15 minutes. Good. Then make fine cuts to the surface. These cuts hold the sauce well and make them look beautiful. The tip is to make cuts at the same intervals. Beautiful. Next, I roll the fillet from the tail side. Okay, and put a skewer. Insert it to the center and the right side of the fillet, like this. And roll it again from the head side. The tip of rolling the fillet is to make it same height. Good. I put the skewers to the left side as well. This method helps to cook the fillets evenly and the texture becomes juicier. It's Japanese traditional work, ryozuma ori. Let's grill Sanma. Today I grill Sanma with charcoal. It's okay to grill it with oven and pan instead of it. I grill it from the front side until it's nice browned. Beautiful. The smell of charcoal is so nice. Meanwhile, rotate the skewers. This work prevents them from sticking to Sanma. Turn it over. Looks so delicious. The tip is to cook it from 80% front side and 20% from back side. Once the back is nice browned, pour the sauce over it. The sauce gives flavor and makes the finish shiny. Nice. And return them on the charcoal. Grill them for a few minutes. If we put the sauce over Sanma, it burns easily. Please grill it carefully. Cook it just for 30 seconds. Okay, done. Then remove the skewers. Rotate and pull them. Let's arrange it on the plate. Beautiful. And it is Sanma bone chips. I dry the bones overnight. Then deep fry it over low heat. I deep fry it double to make them crispy. Good. Place the bone beside Sanma and sriracha. Grilled Sanma with the Innards sauce is done. Let's eat the sashimi and grilled Sanma. Sanma is rich fat and soft texture. Kimo shoyu is unique and a little bit bitter flavor. This sauce goes well with Sanma. Grilled Sanma is very fluffy and the taste is deep and rich. It's perfect with sriracha. Bone chips are nice crispy. It is so delicious.
Thank you. Did you enjoy? Sanma is my favorite fish. I'd like to eat sanma with beer or sake. If you come to Japan in autumn, please try sanma dishes. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.